Sasha here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to do easy Halloween treats that you can do with your little one. And today I have a special guest, which is my son Grayson. He's 3 years old and he's very excited for this video. Are you excited? We're going to make brownies? Yeah. What are you? What are you dressed as?
Triceratops.
A triceratops. So we're going to be making some blood brownies. Ooh, some chocolate dipped strawberries and some cocoa with marshmallows that have spooky faces, right? And I want to thank Sweese for partnering with me again on this video. If you don't know or haven't heard about them, you should check them out. They have an awesome line of kitchenware, mugs, plates, bowls, platters that you've seen on my last video. They are a sustainable company and they are microwave and dishwasher safe. So if you are a busy mom like myself, you know how important that is to get your plates in the microwave or in that dishwasher. So definitely check them out. Thank you, Sweese, for partnering with me on this video, and let's get started. There you go.
That looks like a jelly.
It looks like jelly.
Yeah, it looks like a pom-pom jelly.
A what? Say ta-da.
Ta-da.
Yeah. We're gonna do the abuelita chocolate because this is my favorite cocoa.
Look at mine.
I'm gonna get some too, man. And we're using the Sweese cups that I got. And not only can you use them for your cappuccinos and lattes, they go good for hot chocolate, right? So we're gonna put your cup in. I'm gonna put some hot cocoa in this one. I'm gonna put some hot cocoa in yours because we're gonna share, because these are little cups. Little cute cups. I'm gonna pour in some hot milk because we like milk with our cocoa instead of water, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now that we have our awesome cups of abuelita hot chocolate, I'm just gonna open up some Jet Puff marshmallows and we're gonna make some cute little faces on the marshmallows and add them in the hot chocolate. So literally just want to get your icing and put 3 dots on the marshmallows. That's pretty much about it. So that way you get the tiny little marshmallow. We have the red icing again, and we have our brownies that are done. We're gonna make blood droppings all over the brownies to make them blood brownies. Alright guys, that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this guy did. He's ready to dig in. Thank you again, Sweese, for partnering with me on this video, and happy Halloween. Say happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Alright guys, until next time, peace.